Hey guys, so someone said please make a video on how to make the placket, so that's what we are going to make today. So I'm already on it. So I'm gumming the bigger placket. You see the measurements for everything in the beginning of the video. I'm going to put it in the description below. So I'm going to stitch the main placket on the white fabric, and that's what I'm doing right now using the pressing iron. You see how slow I am with it. Then the other pressing iron is the cold iron. You use the cold iron to make sure that whatever you use the hot iron to press sticks to the fabric. So I'm repressing to make sure it sticks on the fabric. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold. So you could use one piece of fusing, or you use two, depending on how strong you want your placket to be. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sticking on the second piece of fusing. So once you are done and you are sure that it's well attached to your fabric, the main fabric for the placket, then you use the cold iron to press to make sure it sticks to the fabric. So the next thing you do is, you might just, put that on it, a very light fusing, just for rigidity, so it's preferential. So the next thing you do is you fold it. You fold it in a way that the folding on the lower side is a bit longer than the folding on the upper side. You see how that reflects in the video of where I was fixing the placket. There is going to be the link to the video in the description too. So once you do that, you fold over. Then
wait, if you're enjoying the video, please like it now. Please, it helps the channel.
I'm going to show you how it looks. You see, it's a bit longer, so that when you're stitching on top, it's going to stitch on the lower part when you're stitching. So that's the under placket. So you fold. You might add fusing, light fusing, just for aesthetics, and you just fold like so. It's a bit smaller than the upper placket. So you fold, one is longer than the other. So you're almost done. So if you've seen this video to this point, please like and follow and press the bell and subscribe so that we can make videos like this for you. So that is the garment we want to fix it on. So you fix it to it. There's a video on how to fix this. So guys, we are creating a Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description. I would like you to join so that you can show me what you've been doing, your practice, your projects, and how these videos have been helping you, so we could discuss somewhere outside YouTube. So thank you. God bless.
Wait, if you're enjoying the video, please like it now. Please, it helps the channel and it encourages us to keep doing what we're doing. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell.